Every politician says Canada needs more housing. Developers agree. Renters feel the pressure every month. Yet despite years of announcements, funding programs, and housing targets, purpose-built rental housing continues to arrive slower than demand. The question isn't whether Canadians need more rental housing. The question is why so much of it remains stuck between announcement and completion. Canada's population continues to grow. Major cities continue to attract new residents. Many would-be homebuyers have shifted into the rental market as ownership moves further out of reach. Demand exists. Developers know it. Investors know it. Municipalities know it. The challenge isn't finding tenants. The challenge is getting projects built. For many projects, the road from announcement to occupancy spans years. Developers face rising construction costs. Labor shortages continue to affect timelines. Financing has become more challenging as borrowing costs remain elevated. Municipal approval processes often add months and sometimes years before construction begins. By the time a project reaches the construction stage, market conditions may look very different from when it was first proposed. Every delay increases risk. Every delay increases cost. Every delay pushes new housing further into the future. Canada doesn't have a shortage of housing announcements. It has a shortage of completed housing. The gap between political targets and occupied apartments continues to define the rental market. The longer projects remain delayed, the further supply falls behind demand, and that affects everyone: renters, employers, investors, communities. The conversation around housing often focuses on demand. The more important story may be supply. Until projects move from announcement to occupancy faster, Canada's rental gap will remain. And for many Canadians, affordable housing will continue to feel further away than ever.